Congratulations to wonderful girls of Al Junior School Senior Section who have made history by writing poems and short stories this year. They have kept it going for a few years now, and I'm really proud to be their head. And I would like to congratulate them, their parents, and all people who played a role, their teachers, and the English department in particular, for having brought out these values in these children who have come forward and written their experiences in the book. We have from 2018-19, Wafa Naufal and Fahima Mubarak had written the book Labyrinthine. It's a series of poems which they had written, and it was well accepted by everyone around. They had written this book and it was published. Then last year, Karen Chocko of grade 10 at that time, 2019-20, she wrote a set of poems called Seraphim, and this is the glimpse of that book which she had written. Congratulations, Karen, and keep it going. We are very happy that the English department and the students are doing a wonderful job. Their encouragement by the teachers have made it possible for the students to come out with such wonderful pieces of their writing in the forms of poems and short stories. Thank you, children. Thank you. We are very proud of you at Al Engineer School. Each one of you, wish you all the best. May you rise higher and higher and reach the glory of success. And today, we also have wonderful news for you. We have a third book being presented by another set of 3 girls who have written the short story book. I will not talk anything further about it. Let's hear from the authors themselves. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Ansu and I am one of the co-authors of the book Sonda. So what does the word Sonda mean? Sonda is the realization that each random passerby has a life as vivid and complex as our own. But just as they're different and unique, they're also very alike. We chose this name for our book because no matter how parallel our writings were, we had similar views on how our stories developed. We portrayed a kaleidoscopic view of people and their lives, how each person got through their day filled with hardships and happiness of their own.
Hello everyone, I'm Karen Chocko from 11A. Sonda touches a lot of themes like parent-child relationships, finding the silver lining amidst dark times, and so much more. But predominantly, it is a chronicle of hope. One might even call it an attempt at capturing the varied human emotions that seldom find their way onto paper. Sonda is a labor of love. It is ultimately a study on the diversity of human lives and how we are so similar despite our individual uniqueness.
I'm Jesslyn Binoy, studying in 11A, and I would like to take this opportunity to give a word of thanks to everyone behind the successful making of this book. First of all, I would like to thank God Almighty, without whom none of this would have been possible. Second, I would like to thank our parents for raising us, for encouraging us, and for believing in us. I would also like to thank Bridgie Publications for choosing to publish the views of 3 students. I would like to express my immense gratitude to the English department, to John Sir, to Lena Miss, and especially to Sheila Miss for proofreading and correcting all our mistakes, and to Justin Sir for noticing our potential and encouraging us to write. I would also like to thank the AJ management and all our teachers, from our primary years until now, for teaching us to read and write and encouraging us to follow our dreams. Finally, a huge thank you to everyone behind the making of this book, who worked hard to bring this book to life. We will forever be grateful to all of you. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. It is a proud moment to the Department of English, Indian system, that today we release Sondas, a collection of stories co-authored by 3 of our students, Jesslyn Benoy, Ansu Varghese, and Karen Chocko, who are presently studying in grade 11. These 3 young writers emphasized a common theme, hope and optimism. It is hope that keeps us going. Hope gives meaning, courage, strength, and everything that we need to live a meaningful life. This is an inspiration to all our readers that comes from these three novice writers. Well, as you know, Alain Junior School Indian system has produced a couple of writers like Fatima Mubarak, Wafa Naufal, who co-authored Labyrinthine, and Karen Chacko published Seraphim, both are collection of poetry. I take this opportunity to thank our English teachers, Mr. Justin Joseph, Miss Sinu, Miss Leena, for encouraging and guiding not only these students but also all others to come out with their writings, which we usually publish in our monthly news bulletin, AJ Talks. A special thanks to Mr. Justin Joseph, who played a pivotal role in publishing Saunders by doing almost everything to complete the process of bringing out this book and make our dream come true. Today, with gratitude, on behalf of English Department, I thank the Principal, Mr. Ghaffar, Vice Principal, Mrs. Sumaira, for giving us permission to publish this book. We are grateful to our Managing Director, Mrs. Tanvir Arshad, for releasing the book, which means a lot to us. I do remember the parents of these three young writers, teachers, and their friends for their support, motivation, and encouragement. I hope and look forward to seeing many more AJ students with their contributions for literature inspired by these three novice writers. May I request every one of you keep reading the books Saunders, Labyrinthine, Seraphim, and our news bulletin AJ Talks. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, this is once again a beautiful moment for Alain Junior School. The third title is being released here. Saunder, written by the three young writers from grade 11. Such a beautiful achievement from students, such a beautiful achievement from English department, and one more feather to the crown of Alain Junior School. That is, Saunder is in front of you. Authors, yes, we have Karen Chacko along with her parents, Jesslyn, Ansu. So all the three authors are with you. So we have the beautiful book released. Well done. Thank you so much. This is a wonderful view for us, the authors, and the book is being released here. Well done. Congratulations.
Hi, my children. Good evening to everyone over there, the parents and the kids, Karen, Ansu, and Jesslyn. We have just received this book this afternoon, and I'm yet to read that. And I just opened it now because I wanted to do that in front of you guys. And you have really made us so proud. And this is not a simple task. And what you have written inside, you know, just the headings or just the names of the stories which I read, which probably like is giving me an idea as to, you know, what would be the standard or the contents of the stories. But it would be amazing. I would read it and I would get your email addresses from the school, and I would write back to you what I feel about the book. Will that be all right? Yes. And thank you so much. And this is something which you have given to us. That's the pride. What you have given to us is a beautiful gift to the school. That's our pride. So congratulations to all the three, and also the parents who have such wonderful children, and who have this ability to pick up and to see and to watch live. And this is something that you would expect probably a little older people to do that. But then at this young age, if they are able to kind of look into the aspects of life and the stories of people and how it's affecting, and so I haven't yet read that, but then I can see that the writing on life is not a small thing. So that has to have a very clear wisdom to understand what exactly life is all about. So congratulations to all of you. And this has been an amazing experience for all these 3 books which have been released. I do remember first time when Justin came and he said that, this girl has written, I said, let me take the book and read. And those were the collection of the poems, what she had written. And they were amazing, the poetry which were written by the kids. And we said, go along and every year release the books for children who are always coming forward, and give them the opportunity to kind of like soar, let them fly as high as they want to fly. So this has been a journey for Alain Junior School, and so we have a collection of 3 books with us, and that's amazing, really. And thank you so much for your contribution.